Hi everyone, this is Jan. I just wanted to do a really quick tutorial going over the gradient feature in eCal2. I am working on a Mac and I just want to share this with you, really easy. I'm going to go over to the layers, to the palettes over here, and I'm going to click on the color palette. Click on your fill, choose gradient. All right, I already have one in here, so I just thought I'd share this with you. I'm going to go ahead and slide this a little bit. I'm going to slide this over this way. Choose your colors, and you can add as many colors as you want. And you can slide the color so you can determine what you want to do. And I think I'm going to choose maroon. All right, so now I have 5 arrows. The highlighted arrow is the one that you have that you're currently choosing color on. You can reverse your palette, you can choose radial, and you can reverse that as well. So you're limited in some respects, but not so many others. I can change colors at any time. And that makes it really, really easy to adapt to whatever it is that you're wanting to do. And just have some fun with it. Now, this particular font right now does not have a stroke, and I would probably add a stroke to it. I'm going to choose a dark blue just to go on it. Really, really simple, easy to do. I hope you'll play with it and have some fun in this challenge. Thanks for joining me, and happy crafting.